Welcome to your first day at Boeing, everyone. My name is Hank Marshall. I'm going to be leading you through today's workshop. Let's see how well you know us. What is the Boeing-approved way of checking a door seal?
Hotel key card.
Correct. And how does Boeing lubricate the seals of a 737 MAX door?
An industrial lubricant.
Wrong. You.
Dawn dish soap.
And how do we clean that door seal?
A cheesecloth. No, a really wet cheesecloth.
Someone studied. When we ship a 737 to, say, Alaska Airlines, should you attach the 4 key bolts on the door latch?
I want to say no.
You are really going to fit in here. Can anyone tell me how much we settled with the DOJ for the 346 victims of the 2 crashes in 2018 and 2019 to stop them from indicting us?
What, like $1 billion?
No, 2.5 billion.
This is wrong. You're prioritizing profits over safety, and I won't stand for it.
That was very moving. You know what? You've got managerial potential.
I do?
Oh, yeah. Just go with our 2 executives, Mr. Knuckles and Dr. Barium here. They're gonna finish the rest of your training.
Come with us.
What? No. Now, does anyone else have any questions? Company chair in 3. 1, 2, 3. Profits over people! Profits over people!
Did you get all that?